So this one has just tried to kill me. Said I had to do the zoom, isn't it?
No.
Oh, okay, smart ass.
It smells like a pet shop.
Good morning.
Good morning from Ålesund.
Ålesund.
Alesund.
Ålesund.
However you say it.
We're butchering it. So, yesterday's exertions have left us absolutely knackered. So that's 20 kilometres in 2 days. But for you, that'd be last week. So.
And the week before.
And the week before. So we're going to take it nice and easy today. So we've booked onto a boat excursion, which will take us up one of the small fjords. And I need to tell you, or at least try and pronounce it, the Ålesund Fjord or
Fjord,
or something along those lines. So we're just making our way to the meeting point at the moment. And then after we've done that, we're going to be going and having a look at Alesund or Ålesund. All right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So we're just going finding where we have to meet, which is going to be a good one, just to meet.
Is that it?
Oh yeah, I think that could be our boat. Looks rather nice. If it is, we'll find out when we get on there. So we'll see you in a bit.
Thought as much.
So it is that boat.
Yeah.
There it is. It's a Volvo. And it's a catamaran. Just a comparison. Oh, it's fine. That's us parked at the end of the screen. At the end of the screen, at the end of the boat. So.
Hopefully it doesn't rain.
It's not forecast to rain today.
It's so warm as well, isn't it?
It is actually, yeah, it is warm. This is what happens. Jules turns around to me and says, "Oh, you're doing so much better in front of the camera, not with other people around." So here I am, stood at the back of the boat, having a little quiet conversation to myself. Everyone's walking past going, "He's a bit weird." And I'm there trying to give a bit of like narrative to what you're filming. And then Jules is like, what? And then everyone's even looking more at me. Jules and technology, not got a clue. Have you? Have you?
I'm just choosing to ignore you.
commentary, which we can't hear because of the wind.
Speak up.
Yeah, speak art. And then on top of that, we've been doing coffee, waffles. What was that like? Jam cream.
Awful.
Awful. Yeah. So the views are good. That's about it. What do you say?
I'm a bit disappointed. There's no waterfalls.
Yeah, there is no waterfalls. Looks like all the ice is melted and all the streams have run dry.
Yeah. Global warming for you.
Yeah, a bit disappointed with that. You never know, we may get a bit
Because
more.
we've done a boat tour like this before and it was spectacular, wasn't it?
Yeah, it
I've
was.
not seen one waterfall.
No, if we do see it, we'll show you. Okay. Said I had to do the zoom, isn't it?
No?
Oh, okay, smart ass. I can't zoom on that. It's
You
murder.
just double tap it.
So, here we are today, cruising along the fjord on a beautiful day. And, yeah, I just want to jump in and go for a swim.
Well then.
What do you mean go on then?
Well then.
You should be saying no, babe, don't do that. No, you shouldn't be saying that.
The sun's shining right through your ears.
No, it's my halo. Stop that, you're going to scare everyone. So we come inside because she's cold. Right, sit down, seats are comfy, it's a bit warmer, it's not windy, and this is the response I get.
It smells like a pet shop.
I give up. You know, you try and do decent things, and this is what happens. Missing all these spectacular views because she's cold.
It was you that suggested coming inside.
Because you were cold. But the seats are comfy, aren't they?
Pardon?
Seats are comfy.
Oh yeah, very comfy. With a little glass of wine or prosecco.
Bar menu there.
Oh, actually they do. Oh, this could be fun.
From a sightseeing tour into a booze cruise. So this one has just tried to kill me.
You were sat on the end of the bench.
So I sat there on one of these long benches.
And then my big fat arse got up.
And the bench just went straight. And I nearly went flying through the window and crashed into the
Oh,
glass.
I'm disgusted I didn't get it on camera.
So we're just seeing if we can find a cafe. Because the first place we sat down was actually a pub. And I don't want to drink. Not yet anyway. Later tonight I will be, but not today. I saw you step forward and
I'm
look.
still on the pavement.
Well, I saw you. Oh my god, look at all that cheese. Right, we found Raccoon Coffee Shop. It's got a nice little area outside, which is absolutely jam-packed. It's got an inside seating area, and we've got upstairs as well, which is pretty quiet. It's only us and another person, well, a couple of other people in, so makes me feel a bit better. We do coffee, tea, cold alcohol. Yeah, don't know how much.
Cold alcohol.
Cold alcohol is frozen.
When you get hot alcohol, very, very rare, babe.
Listen, I'm tired. I'm tired today. The last 2 days has took it out of me. I am absolutely destroyed today. So I got a cookie. And
I got a monster cinnamon roll.
A massive. So we're going to have that. Early day today.
There's a bit of a resting day today.
Definitely think so, because we are
Worn out.
worn up. So,
And the boat.
yeah, the boats, that's the,
I mean, we've done one previously. Celebrity.
we did one about 8 years ago when we were last here with Celebrity, and that cruise was absolutely amazing. The waterfalls, the sea life, everything else there was.
Yeah, there's just hardly any waterfalls and stuff.
No.
Global warming has got a lot.
Yeah, you could see where all the waterfalls were, and you could see the little bits of the snow caps on there, but they've just melted.
Yeah, nothing there.
Nothing there at all. It's really poor.
I'm hoping it's just an anomaly.
Well, it's been one of the hottest summers on
Yeah,
record,
the waterfalls come back.
but we don't think that's going to happen. But the scenery, as you've seen, absolutely amazing.
Plus,
It's not worth the listen. Yes, thank you. All our coffee's arrived.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome back.
Yes, brilliant. Thank you.
Change it for you.
Flat white for you. Thank you. So,
What's this? The big mug.
but please subscribe, like, comment, ring the notification bell.
Nice comments.
Or not. We're not bothered.
I am.
Okay, she's bothered, I'm not.
I don't want nasty pasties. Keep it nice, keep it simple.
I know, but everyone on here is a good, well, from what we've seen, is a good community, so, yeah. So I hope you've enjoyed this one. I'm sorry it's a bit short, but
Bloody tired.
yeah, drinking late into the night and everything else, it's not been,
Oh, you're on holiday.
we are on holiday, so yeah, take care, and we'll see you, where are we?
Hoggersford.
Yeah, we'll sort that out properly.
Hoggersford.
Hoggersford, the
I think
home,
it's
the
Hoggersford.
birthplace of Erling Haaland.
Who?
Yeah, doesn't do football. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Anyway,
Thank you.
bugger off, I want cake.
Take care, and we'll see you next week. Bye bye.
See you next